Good evening viewers, I am Karan and in the headlines today. In a first, the Guwahati Tea Auction Centre Lounge will hold a 3-day Assamese tea ceremony from tomorrow. The event is being organised by Pabojan Tea Estate in collaboration with the Arin Tea Group. This will give us an opportunity to popularise the tradition of serving tea in banbatis or brass metal bowls, Rakhi Soikia from Arin Tea said. Assam's Borok Valley will soon have its mini secretariat. The state government on Saturday notified the same. Chief Minister Sarbhananda Sonowal had laid the foundation of the secretariat in March 2019. Assam Chief Minister Sarbhananda Sonowal on Sunday described the Congress-led Maha-Joot as an unholy alliance, saying it will not be acceptable to the people of the state as one of its constituents, the All India United Democratic Front or AIUDF, espouses the cause of illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. In regional news, Sikkim police has seized drugs estimated worth Rs 24 lakh from Jorethang in South Sikkim. The consignment contains 60,540 capsules of Spasmo 40, 10,000 capsules of nitro drug and 371 bottles of cough syrup. Wife of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee has been asked to join investigations by the Central Bureau of Investigation in a case involving allegations of coal smuggling. The CBI team turned up at the couple's residence in Kolkata today to issue summons to her in the case. As BJP launched a song with a twist to the popular Bella Ciao, mocking Mamata Banerjee with Pishi Jao.
Banglai shudhu danga baji o pishi jao pishi jao pishi jao 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 rasta behal Banglai akan পিশি যাও 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 পিশি যাও কেন মিথ্যে মিথ্যে প্রচার ও পিশি যাও 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 পিশি যাও যাও যাও
The ruling Trinamool Congress on Sunday posted a tweet taking a dig at the BJP with the latest Pauri trend. Posting an image of empty chairs and a stage at a BJP meeting, the TMC Twitter handle wrote, "ये बंगाल BJP है, ये उनकी जनसभा है और यहाँ इनकी पारी हो रही है." The Left Front Committee of Tripura has expressed its concern over the District Council poll of the state and urged the State Election Commissioner to assure a free and fair election. We will now take a short commercial break. We will be back soon. Hello viewers and welcome back. In international developments, the Department of Health of the Philippines reported 1,888 new COVID-19 cases on Sunday, bringing the total number of confirmed cases in the Southeast Asian country to 5,61,169. Protesters have gathered again all over Myanmar a day after security forces shot dead 2 people at a demonstration in the country's second biggest city. A funeral was also held for a young woman killed earlier by the police. 1 million doses of Covishield vaccine produced by Serum Institute of India and procured by the government of Nepal arrived in Kathmandu today. The first of the 2 batches of 2 million doses in total were brought via Air India's New Delhi-Kathmandu 1:30 p.m. flight. The vaccines will be stored at a cold storage unit in Teku. UN Chief Antonio Guterres has voiced appreciation for India's leadership in the global fight against the coronavirus pandemic and its efforts to bring a much-needed supply of the COVID-19 vaccines to the world market. That's all for today. For more such stories from India's eastern neighborhood, please follow Newsfile Connect on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.